Can you believe you can make your old photos look as crispy as new with VideoProc Converter AI? Everyone can restore old photos to their original vibrancy, eliminate noise, enhance details, upscale the resolution and more to make your old photos look better than ever before. It's time to say goodbye to low-quality, blurry images, thanks to VideoProc Converter AI advanced algorithms. So let me tell you step by step how to use it. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. First, download and install VideoProc Converter AI by clicking on the link given in the description. Go to the website and check system requirements to verify your system meets the requirements. Open VideoProc Converter AI. Select the Super Resolution tab on the home interface. A screen like this will appear after that. Click this button and select the image. You can also add multiple images at one time. After adding the media, the software will automatically start the AI referencing process. You can uncheck Auto Start next time to disable this feature. After the image is loaded, it will show you before and after resolution of the image. As you can see for yourself, it produced a crisp and clear image from an average slightly blurry one. Step 2. First, we will select Super Resolution type. All AI models available here, it can help enhance quality while fixing imperfections. For instance, this model Gen Detail version 2, generate more details, more clarity, more sharpness. It excels in enhancing images. This second model, Real Smooth version 2, specializes in rendering smoother, clearer, and brighter images, and restoring original. Anime, the AI model is tailor-made for upscaling and denoising anime and cartoons. ZYXT, it is designed for enhancing and upscaling photorealistic photos of low resolution, producing realistic and visually appealing results with improved detail and sharpness. From here we can upscale our image 2x, 3x, and 4x, to increase image resolution. You can also convert your images to specific resolution, like 1080p, 2K, 4K. If the original material already boasts a high resolution, you can choose Enhance the video or image one time. You can preview the results in the preview window and compare the before and after any time in either single mode or dual mode. After that, adjust other settings like image format and image quality. When you are satisfied with all the settings, click the Run button to start the processing. You can see for yourself that there is a clear difference between the original image and the upscaled image. Step 3. In the Super Resolution window, import the source media, and here we will use a video as an example. In the AI Model section, select Real Smooth version 2. This model effectively removes blur and noise while preserving original detail and restoring video images for better fidelity and clarity. And if you want to upscaling the video, use Gen Detail model for that. You can see the before and after comparison. If your source media is an interlaced video, you can take this option to change the source file to a progressive one. Finally, for best result, in the AI Model section select Real Smooth. Then select Fast Mode option, select Scale option to upscale the video to 2x. Click the Run button to start the processing. You can see the before and after comparison. Click the link in the description box below to download VideoProc Converter. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.